Budgeting apps are revolutionizing personal finance. These apps automatically link to your financial accounts, categorizing transactions. Users can create customized budgets, set spending limits, and monitor progress. Budgeting apps offer features like alerts, notifications, and debt management tools. Integration with bank accounts, credit cards, and investments ensures real-time updates. Detailed reports and analysis tools provide valuable insights into spending patterns. The convenience and automation of budgeting apps save time and effort. Users can tailor budgeting categories to their specific needs. Security measures like bank-grade encryption and multi-factor authentication protect users' financial data. Budgeting apps promote financial awareness, goal achievement, and better decision-making. While user-friendly, budgeting apps require active engagement and should not replace personal financial literacy. Embracing budgeting apps can transform your relationship with money and empower you to take control of your finances. Discover the power of budgeting apps and take control of your finances today.